To troubleshoot a Venmo transfer, start by checking the status of your transfer in the Venmo app. Look for the transfer in your transaction history and check if it says pending, completed, or failed. If the transfer is pending, it may take a few minutes to complete, so wait a bit and check again. If the transfer has failed, check your Venmo balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. Also, verify that the recipient's Venmo username or phone number is correct. A small mistake in the username or phone number can cause the transfer to fail. Next, check your bank account to ensure it is linked correctly to your Venmo account. If your bank account is not verified, you may not be able to complete transfers. To verify your bank account, go to the Venmo app, tap the menu icon, and select Settings, then Payment Methods, and follow the instructions to verify your bank account. Another common issue is with the Venmo app itself. Try closing and reopening the app, or uninstalling and reinstalling it. This can often resolve any technical issues that may be causing the problem. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Venmo support for assistance. You can do this by going to the Venmo app, tapping the menu icon, and selecting Help, then Contact Us. You can also visit the Venmo website and click on the Help Center to find answers to common questions or to contact support. When contacting Venmo support, be prepared to provide information about the transfer, including the date and amount of the transfer, and any error messages you received. This will help the support team to quickly and efficiently resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues with your Venmo transfer. Remember to always double-check the recipient's information and your Venmo balance before initiating a transfer. And don't hesitate to contact Venmo support if you need help.